ating baby Celine ay kakain ng kanyang egg pancake. Egg pancake ang tawag namin dito, guys. And mommy made some bacon. Let's go here. So it's Thursday. Our Ate Paris is already at school, guys. Ginap ni Daddy Mike. Ating baby Celine ay last na nagising. Not for you, honey. Not for you. You have your own food. Want me to cut it for you? Meron pa kaming hilamos. My God. Camera ka agad. Hindi pa nakapaghilamos.
My God.
Ma, Dudnis, Louie boy.
My Tony's.
Yung, that one.
McDonald's.
Good go. Is bacon your favorite, anak? Magkakape sana ako, guys, kaya it's so hot, like I'm already sweating inside the house. Magkakape pa ako niyan. Wa na. Mura na ta ni gidauban. Time check tayo, guys. It's 11:14 ng umaga. Nandito tayo ngayon sa sasakyan. Say hi, baby Lini. Ayan, papalabas kami ng aming mansion. Char lang, mansion. So tayo ay pupunta ngayon, guys. I think na-mention ko ito sa vlog natin last week. So meron tayong new shop na pinagbebentahan natin na we don't need to be there to look after the stuff. Meron silang parang sales lady na nakabantay sa mga gamit mo. So, nag-start ako last Saturday. Hindi ako nakapag-vlog nung dinala ko yung mga gamit doon. They updated me after 2 days kung may sales or may ano ba, kung may movement ba ang ating mga items doon. And we are taking few more stuff para i-replenish ang ating rack kasi may naibenta daw tayo doon, guys. I'm super excited. So I was there yesterday. Nagbitbit din ako ng few more items, and then nilagyan ko ng 10%, like everything in my rack 10% off, and it seems like it's working, the 10% off, kasi I sold a few more kahapon, so that's why we're bringing more stuff today. So I'll take you with me, guys. I'll show you our rack and how it looks like, and kung anong mukha ng shop doon, guys. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Let us go!
Ready, steady, go!
Oh my goodness. Nakaalis na kami, guys. And then I realized na iwan ko yung kape ko doon sa gilid. Nung nilagay ko silin sa kanyang car seat. Ay, kailangang balikan.
Mama,
kasi I need coffee.
The kangaroo one.
Yan lang yung ko ngayong
Mama,
umaga.
I just got the kangaroo one.
Did you get it yourself?
Yeah.
Oh, you're silly.
I used it with my leg.
How did you do it?
I got the string and then carry it up.
Oh my God, you are very good. I'll go get my coffee.
Wait.
You wait here?
Mama, that's too good.
Mga birdies, guys, ay inikutan man ang ating sasakyan. Ang kape ko. Ang aking kape na naiwan. Hindi pwedeng hindi balikan. Mainit-init pa. Wait, mama. Nini, can you move here, baba? Can you stay here? Stay here. Mr. Mama. Nagdala tayo ng, ng trench coat. Ayan, this is from Coach. Ang ganda ng sa likuran, oh. Anak ko, Diyos ko eh. Where we're going. Okay, push lang. Push the door. Push the door. Good girl. Morning! Look! Here's our stuff. Yeah, we'll hang the clothes. So we're gonna ask for hangers. Come here. Tingnan niyo ang ating. Thank you so much. That's Mama's dress. Look, meron tayong mga bag dito. Yeah. Nice. Do you like Mama's stuff? Hang on, Mama's gonna hang this, okay?
Mommy just got everything in this and Mommy has this somewhere, but so cute. And look at I found this one. But this tells you this one. This is so cool, but this one is cool. This is actually worsted. And then over there. Then over there is the and then this dress is very cute. So it has this one and this one. And this one is so cute. Mama,
Ayan na. Nalagay na natin lahat ng ating new stock. I should have bought more. Ito mga racks na to guys. Ayan. Iba-iba yung may-ari niyan. Kaya different sizes. This one is nice. That's our dress. Ayan. Hanggang doon. I don't think Daddy will wear that now. Hmm?
does it fit her?
No, I think it's for girls, sweetie. And also, that's not Daddy's style, baby girl. Very sweet of you to think
Then I'll
that.
give Daddy a black one.
Yeah, get Daddy a black one. So we're all set up. Alis na kami ni Baby Celine kasi meron tayong appointment at 12:15 guys for our pedicure and shellac. So busy ang ating linyang day. Andito na kami. Yes! Doon kami sa taas. They're doing some work here, oh. Lalagyan nila ng stairs. Oh, that's good. Kasi dito man, oh, mahirap. Bukid. That's a really good idea. Gotta go. Where are we?
In the jungle.
In the jungle.
Is this a jungle? No, it's not, Mama.
It's not a jungle. Ang tagal ko nang hindi nakabalik dito guys. Tingnan nyo. Yan siya. Uy, kakahiya naman. Uy. Tingnan nyo. Haba na. Oh, haba ng tubo.
Yeah.
Yan pa yung old na kulay ko guys. My God. Yan yun na. Say hi, Tammy. Say hello.
How are you?
Oh, can we bring our shoes in?
Yeah. Shoes on.
Thank you.
Oh, you remember me? Last time you come here? Oh, my God. Remember so
Yeah, that's right. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah, don't touch it. Just leave it. Do like this. Baba, do like this. Like that, okay? No touching.
Insects without bothering your family? Try Aerogard Home.
Looks nicer now.
BioKill technology. Its plant-based active is fast-acting against a variety of insects. Big pests protect the rest.
Are you happy with it?
Yes.
Show me. Show Tita and Tita B. Here. Oh, wow! Purple! Siya yung pumili ng kulay. Gusto niyang purple eh.
Do you like mine?
I love it, honey. It looks great.
It's sparkly.
Sparkly, yes. She's done that for Celine for free. Ako lang yung chinarge niya. My God, it looks much better, guys. Tingnan nyo, para ano, paa ng tao. Kanina parang paa ng ewan. Full palangga. I'm doing some work there. Okay, good.
A few moments later.
Okay, guys. Welcome sa fitting room ng Op Shop. So, after namin napagawa ng kuko ni Baby Celine, guys, nagtingin-tingin kami sa okay-okay. Tapos ngayon, we saw this Op Shop na meron silang mga formal na dress. And I remembered, guys, na yung sister ko, sabi niya, ako daw yung bibili ng damit ko for her wedding. Ako yung magiging maid of honor, di ba? Sabi niya, Old Rose daw yung dapat suotin ko, guys. I don't know if this is Old Rose, but ito yung natry ko na isa. Actually, looks nice. May isa akong nagustuhan na style doon. Very simple, pero may slit siya. So, super nice niyang tingnan. But sabi niya, hindi, magbumukha daw akong ninang doon. Kasi I think yun yung kulay. But Old Rose, I think this is Old Rose. Guys, kasi malapit na. So, kailangan ko nang makahanap na susuotin ko, guys. And this one is so cheap. Like, seriously, very cheap, guys. So, tingnan nyo. Andyan siya. Nag-ano din tayo ng shoes. Diba? Look at that. Ano sa tingin niyo? Hindi ko to maintindihan. Iwan ko kung bakit to ganito. Ganyan lang siguro yan. Ayan. But it looks cute. Even if, I think I'm still gonna get this one para may option ako just in case wala akong mahanap, diba? But I'm actually happy with this one. My God, very cheap, guys. Seriously, very cheap. But gusto ko namang ang tawag doon, bagay din ba sa sister ko. Kailangan talagang mag-ready talaga kasi, my God, my sister is getting married and maid honor pa si mami niyo. Kailangan kong maghanap ng Kaya pinair ko lang yung kanyang shoes para tingnan natin yung whole look. Hayaan nyo na yung mga bilbil, guys. Talagang ganyan na yung mga bilbil dyan. But, ay, meron na akong baby shark dito. This one is also nice. Very similar yung kulay. But, ay, ano na ito eh. Marang magna buhag oil. Ayan. This is also nice. And my slit butt. I think this is size 12. Suot ko ngayon ay size 8. Size 8 talaga kasi ako, guys. So, we'll see. Tingin-tingin pa tayo. So, this is the second one. Size 12, guys. Sobrang lusot. I don't know. Is it worth it na pa-fix? Kasi very cheap lang siya eh. Pero sobrang gagandahan ako sa kanya, guys. Tingnan niyo, very elegante. Oh, di ba? Pak! Sobrang haba nga lang. My goodness. Stay here, anak. Oh, di ba? Ang laki dito, guys. Anak, stay here, baby. Kaya lang, mukhang may may naiihi, di ba? Basa-basa.
A few moments later.
Kakapasok ko namin ng bahay, guys. Ang ating baby sila na nakatulog sa sasakyan. So, pinatulog ko muna siya doon while I was in the garage doing some work. And pakita ko sa inyo yung mga pamili natin kanina sa ating pansuri-suri dito sa Op Shop. Look, puraga lang. Do you think this will fit Sheila? Ate?
Yeah.
It's a purple gingham print dress, size 6, but I don't know if kasya ka Ate Paris, mukhang malaki naman siya, but yeah, that's size 6. And I think nabili ko to siya ng $6 ata to siya. And then meron din ako nabili for maybe Celine, a pink dress. It's also $6. Another dress, this is from Gap. Also $6, guys. At first, sabi ni Baby Celine, ayaw niya kasi she doesn't like black. Sabi ko, yun to black na. Navy blue man to. Ayan. Kasi na talagang may ano pa talaga na sabihin, I don't like that because it's black.
I love it. It's so cute.
And then, another one. $2, guys. Tingnan niyo. Skirt. This is for Celine, I think. Kasya ba ito kay Paris, guys? Okay. Tingnan niyo. It says 3 to 4. But, alam niyo naman ang ating Ate Paris maliit. So, kasya yan sa kanya. And then, another. Uy, anak! How about you find a coin? And you do this one. There's another one for $2, guys. That's so cute. Yes, anak.
Actually, put the coin in the pinky deck.
Oh, you can here. You can take it out. Get it to help you. See this one here? You can open from the bottom.
I know.
Look, just get one.
I know. I want to use it.
It's very. And then here's a Sandro tank top for $10. Yan. Sandro, branded na branded din, guys. Bahay ba? And then we've got another one. This is from the brand Shake. It's an Australian brand. Sobrang cute niya, guys.
Mama, can you do it for me? It's too hard.
Ate can help you, sweetie. Ate, can you help Celine with this one lang? With the scratchy. So, originally, guys, yung price nila dito, ano to siya? Crop top. $19. 19? Yeah, 19 ang nakalagay. But, I pointed out sa kanila na ang kanyang ganito, chain dito sa kanyang strap, shoulder strap, ay, ayan, sira man siya. Ayan, hindi siya masyadong pansin pag sinuot. Pag ganyan, kitang-kita mo. Oh, now you have to scratch everything, ah. Scratch everything. So, si mama na nagkabantay doon, guys, sabi niya, I'll give it to you for $12. So, I got this one for $12. And then, ito yung pinakauna kong tinry. Sobrang, brand new pa to ha, kasi meron pa siyang ano, tag. From Billy J. Ah, may dress lang pala talaga ito. Dusty pink man to siya. Uy, sabi man ng aking kapatid, ay old rose daw, old rose. Pwede na siguro to. Uy, old rose. Dusty pink. Oh my God. Anyways, binili ko na lang din para may options tayo, di ba? Kasi, ito, $29 lang. Ayan. Eh, kung hindi ito yung susuotin, nabenta ako, di ba? Ganun lang. Pero maganda to siya.
Mama, can you give me
What was he?
popcorn?
How we go?
I made it for the whale. He's hungry. Mama, he's
Ginamit pa ang whale. Baraw na ko eh. Is it the whale or the baby whale?
We don't have a baby.
You are my baby whale.
I know.
I love you, anak ko.
Love you, Mama.
So, I will let this absorb before tayo maglagay ng ating moisturizer. So, this is the Uberzinc Protective Daily Moisturizer. Ang ganda nito kasi pump lang ganyan. So, hindi siya masayang ba. But, I'll let this absorb first. So, we'll do a quick shout out before ako mag-end ng vlog, guys. Oh my God, anong oras na eh? Shout out to Maricar Castaneda, Matthew Locading, Caro May Torres, hello. Shout out to Marlene Sweetos, Mirna Baluka, Rosalie Vlog HK, Jenly Beauchamp, Eleanor Tanutan. Thank you everyone. Oh my god, these names, seriously, hindi man ako nag-shoutout all the time guys, but I really hope na alam niyo na sobrang thankful ako sa inyo guys na palagi kayong nandyan. Hindi man ako makapag-reply, but I try my very best na binabasa ko talaga lahat guys. Kaya hina-heart ko kung hindi man ako makapag-reply. Yet Palino, Janzi Pinay in Australia, of course. Shout out to Victoria Baptista, Esther Timwat, hello. Esther Galiza, Carmen Lu, Luz Tiongson, Marcy Narito, hello. Hilaska, hello. Yuli Novero, Judy Reyes, Rosella Satur, Nori Loria, Leila Medina, watching from Masbate City, hello. Riz Channel, and Mr. and Mrs. Wright. So much guys for watching today's video. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family, and we hope to see you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't, be careful. Bye. Mwah.